Talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me.
Talk to me.
What is up, everybody, and welcome to another episode brought to you by Backyard Zombie. And in this quick and dirty tutorial, I'm taking a break from my Vampire Hunter kit to build for you guys the hand from the new movie Talk to Me. So, let's get into it. So the first thing I did is start with this at-home mummy hands. I was going to use this for the bracelet, but I was like, I'm not going to use that. So I strip off the bandages, and I realized, oh, I can make this work, I think. It's deformed, but it's fine. I can use a heat gun to bend. We'll first heat up the wrist, so I can bend it into the pose I want later. I'm just going to keep heating that up. And make sure you wear a mask, and be in a well-ventilated area. Melting plastic is bad. Fumes are bad. And then I start the bending process, and then we're getting the pose we're looking for. Awesome. And I realize I'm gonna have to fill that up later because it just looks deformed and weird. But this will work for now. So then I'm gonna go in with some Milliput and fill all those weird gaps and wrinkles that the heating process has made. And here I am, just mixing up the Milliput. 2 colors, making one, easy peasy. But who doesn't love a super time lapse? And so I'm getting ready to fill the gaps, and I'm going to fill this major gap, which just to flatten it out, and eventually I'm going to go in with sculpting tools as well to kind of make it all look cohesive, and hopefully the paint job will do the rest for me. And now that it's dried, we can start the painting process. I'm going to go in with this suede color. It's an acrylic, and I'm just going to give it a nice even coat. I ended up doing 2 coats just to make sure everything was cohesive and it looked great. I also hit it with a high gloss sealer. I actually did a layer of Sharpies, like I wrote quotes that I found from screen caps and edits of the posters and stuff, and then I just started adding names and quotes to kind of like summarize people who had messed with this hand, and then I hit a high gloss sealer between like layers of names and stuff, so each one looked kind of different. And here I am, just after a second coat of gloss that I just started going in with other Sharpies. And Megan helped too, and we just added a bunch of names and quotes, and there's a lot of Easter eggs from Backyard Zombie, and I made a stand too. So there you have it, folks. That is how I built this really quick and easy, very deformed hand from Talk to Me. I think this is such a cool prop to have on display, especially if you become a fan of this movie for Halloween. You could easily put this on your porch for trick-or-treaters, see if they'll go to even grab the hand. But I don't know. I was able to hide some Backyard Zombie Easter eggs in here while also using names that I could easily see from the screen caps. And I don't know. I think it's just fun. It's a really cool display piece. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this, please think about liking and subscribing, and stay tuned for our vampire hunting video, because that video is becoming so much bigger than any video I've ever made, and I'm surrounded by the mess. So if you guys are interested in that, please check out our other Universal Monster videos. That's the Big Frank rehaul and the Bracelet of Anubis, and hopefully we'll see you guys in the next video. And we have so much more to do here at Backyard Zombie, so stay tuned.